Jair Bolsonaro is facing the possibility of decades in prison after a panel of 5 Supreme Court justices unanimously ruled there is enough evidence to send the former Brazilian president to trial for his acts to stay in power after his 2022 election loss. 7 of his associates will be tried as well.
Por unanimidade,
I announce the result. The panel unanimously accepted the charge filed by the Office of the Prosecutor General.
Bolsonaro and his co-defendants will stand trial before the 11 justices of the full court, charged with attempting a coup d'etat and other related crimes, such as inciting a violent disruption of constitutional order and leading a criminal organization. All charges the ex-president denies, claiming he's a victim of political persecution. The January 8, 2023 mob attacks on Brazil's main public buildings in Brasília, seen as the culmination of the coup attempt, also led to charges of criminal damage and destruction of protected historical public property.
Dia 8 de janeiro de 2023 foi uma
January the 8th, 2023 was a terrible day for democracy, for the institutions, and for all Brazilians who believe in a better country.
The next step will be the presentation of witnesses, documents and evidence by the defense to explain and challenge the version presented by the Public Prosecutor's Office. So the upcoming stages could include hearing witnesses or submitting expert reports, for instance.
Brazilian politics has been deeply polarized in recent years between supporters of President Luiz Inácio Lula da Silva's Workers' Party and those backing former President Jair Bolsonaro. Now, Bolsonaro's trial may add a new layer of tension. The low turnout at a recent protest called by Bolsonaro suggests his influence may be waning, but he remains a key figure in Brazil's right wing, especially on the far right.
Minha família inteira é de direita, então assim.
My whole family is right-wing, so I've always supported Bolsonaro. I follow his ideas, so I believe he shouldn't be imprisoned.
mas é claro que houve uma tentativa de golpe.
It's clear there was an attempted coup. I think the entire investigation has proven that very clearly. This isn't some delusion of Alexandre de Moraes or anything like that. It's well documented, even by those involved, that there was a coup attempt.
No date has been set for the upcoming trial. Even less clear is when or how it will end. Paulo Cabral, CGTN, São Paulo.